I'd like to congratulate all the participants who were really out of the world. The level of confidence, the arguments, and the matter, the content was really, I think, unparalleled. It was a very classy debate. We have been attending large number of debates. So I'm very happy to get a chance to hear and judge such good speakers. But I think before I give my remarks, it's my moral duty to share some observations of mine which were shared by my elders, my principal, my teachers when I went debating. And I think we went on improving every time with some suggestions. So my dear young friends, and I'm sure that you'll take them very, very positively. No matter the content was very good for almost all the speakers, but some of you were gesticulating. Please, friends, remember, debate is not drama. You are not here to dramatize, but some of you were gesticulating a lot. And I would again say that this is not your fault, but with apology, the teachers who trained you, who supervised, who guided you, who were your mentors, they should have checked you at that time. So next time when you are going and facing a big debate like on the NDTV, etc., one fine day, because I found even thoroughly enjoying the debate, and the dreams in the eyes of some speakers really made me go back and reminisce my school days. It was really good. So friends, don't gesticulate. And eye contact. Some of you were very good at eye contact with the audience, and others, I don't know whether they were nervous or whatever. So eye contact, your link with the audience is very important to give life to what you are debating, what matter you are discussing with the audience. And be very natural. That's a small piece of advice in life. We all should be very natural in whatever we do. The way we speak, the way we stand, and that really impresses people if you are natural rather than being artificial. Your delivery should be just coming from your heart and not overdoing. Then I also have a suggestion that I did not find a single speaker coming with the small file cover where they could shove in their papers. And that is just not a criticism. It is just a healthy suggestion being passed on to you. And it always happens. And in my journey as a principal, I have also seen your little ones, when we have seminars for teachers, we find they also, when they come and present their papers, they come with their papers just like that. So it is just like covering when we have a napkin on anything being offered, etc. So it is just like that. So I find, because my teacher also told me once upon a time, ages ago, and it really vibed with me, it became a part of me. You will have a very simple folder where each one of us use our papers, and even I have jotted down my points here, because we are all not encyclopedias, even however older and big I am as compared to you. So next time you go for a debate, carry small folder as far as possible, made by you. It could be from the waste material, that will be really good, showing you to be really learning by doing, your environment friendly nature. That will be really good enough, and I'm sure it will give me happiness wherever I am, and if I get another chance to see you all, it will be pleasure. Because these are small things, as I said about a file cover, but they do matter. Now, these were just the observations. Now, my dear friends, I just want to say that it was very enriching, and what you all, the little friends, were speaking, they were just, I think they were getting into us as members of the jury too, and they were very appealing. And corruption, rightly one of the young Feds said, corruption has been a part of a society since time immemorial. I remember that even during Gandhiji's time, when he was a school kid like you all, and like what we were once upon a time, even he had an exposure to corruption by way of the episode, the incident of school inspection going on. And in the Hindi book, I remember I learned this lesson in my Hindi book.
Because amongst you there were a few